Camping at the beautiful. Let's see the lake. What? There's a ghetto-ass grill. And the lake that I'm about to go kayaking in right now. So excited. This actually is really pretty.
Told you.
I feel like I'm in Lost.
It does look like that.
On a deserted island. Nowhere to go. And there's Bandit having hella fun. Bandit. Bandit, what are you doing? He already stole our stick from our firewood. And he's being hella bad. He's being kinda good though. Say bye, Bandit. Camping, say bye. Say bye.